Over. Don't let her knock you over.
It looks like she's gonna.
I know. If you do that, she will. You're a nut. All those birds.
I can't travel in the snow.
Is it good? It's deep. Throw a snowball at her. You probably can't even pack it. It's too powdery. She's just eating it. She's a snow dog.
Molly,
Ooh.
I'm gonna wipe snow off of you.
Just don't. Just leave her be. Molly, no. Crazy dog.